Hello folks, so if you saw the service video in several parts, started with this has been in for 10 weeks, especially with not being well, an awful lot wrong with this, parts missing, but we haven't fixed it. This is def as opposed to on receive, it's 7 microvolts, we can just about hear 1 microvolt. It's an IF problem, I think it's with the 455 side IF, and despite changing filters and chips and goodness knows what and capacitors, I can't get to the bottom of it. Trouble is, it was a low production thing. It was based on a magazine project. The magazine project is like 2/3 of what this is, and there are differences. So there's no real data. And although I've got a set, guess what? Mine's different as well. So we've shown you mine. It is transmitting. It's transmitting audio. It is receiving. We've done an awful lot. But it's going to go back with no fee because we weren't able to fix it. I think I've spent 12 hours in total and about £40 in parts, but hey, we just lose out, don't we? It's one of those things. You can tell that the FM hiss is wrong. We're going to be unlikely to be able to use the squelch. We'll go to Mega Chippy channel. Whilst he's parked outside, it might actually work. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Yep, roger, okay, just establishing contact, and I'll plug in an extension speaker.
Yep, roger that, let me know when you're ready.
Roger, I'm ready now.
Right, off we go.
Good.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger dodger, no problem at all. On this radio there's no tone control.
Yep, roger that.
These have got VOGAD in them, Plessey VOGAD chip. It's military grade transmitted audio. It's just a bizarre set. So I'm expecting Tim to get to the top of the hill, and I'm not expecting him to get any further. I think we're going to get 2.5 miles on this. Perhaps with the preamp
right,
it'll work alright.
The end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Yeah.
But once he gets very far away, the squelch will stop working. I'll have to open it up. The meter won't read because the IF feeds all that.
Service station and it's closed.
Roger dodger, we're early I think.
About 1/4
Roger dodger. Well, that's like 3/4 of a mile and it's still working.
Roger that.
This is one of those sets with a VOGAD chip in it, so I should sound really good to you.
Yes, it's plenty loud enough. I suppose we better tell the viewers that I do know which set it is because we're expecting not the best performance from it.
Yes, the transmitter is full 4 watts. It's going to work very well. You're going to hear me all the time. It's me hearing you on a 7 microvolts receive.
Yep, roger that. Right, we've just gone through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill, and this might be the extent of my receive. fine, but the squelch isn't going to work properly, so I'm going to have to override it.
Yeah, well, that's the thing to do then, if that's the case.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippy. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippy, I've got you quite well. Go around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippy. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippy, I've got you quite well. Going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on this mega Tracker CB1100 from 1982. And I say we've spent an awful lot of time sorting this out, but we've failed to crack the final problem, which is in the 455 IF. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
I'm still receiving you, sounds great.
Roger. Level crossing. Over.
Roger, still receiving you, and I've got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger that. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, still receiving you. Got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger that. Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, still receiving you at the Greyleys turn.
Oh right, well you're doing well then. It's about as bad as it gets there.
Well, it's a bit 10-1, but I'm still receiving it.
Roger. Somebody's dumped all the litter out at this lay-by a bit, and somebody's going to think it's me, aren't they?
Well, that's embarrassing, isn't it?
Yeah, bloody ruffians.
Anyway, we've got video evidence from that camera that he was already there.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippy. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point, and so on this Mega Tracker CB1100 UK set. I say really deaf on receive, but we failed to find the IF fault. It's drawing 1.16 amps to deliver a full 4 watt output. I'm going to now switch it to low power, and I've set low power for 400 milliwatts. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on low power, and I am drawing 580 milliamps. We'll go back to full power, and there we are back at 4 watts over.
Yeah, roger that. Well, certainly nothing wrong with the transmit on that. You're loud and clear on both.
Yeah, and we cured the thermal runaway problem, so there you go. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger, got you on the move.
Right, we'll be square-wheeled momentarily while the train goes over, but it has gone over now.
Roger, got you square wheeled while the train goes over.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippy. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, going over Rossby level crossing. Please over.
Yeah, the usual 147.9, 157.9.
Roger on that. Okay, well, considering the sensitivity problem, that worked well. So, thank you for that, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Roger, got you going over raw speed level crossing, and I wonder what the petrol price is at that end, please, over. Roger on that. Okay, well, considering the sensitivity problem, that worked well, so thank you for that, and 10-10. Okay, well, as I say, there's a problem with the 455 IF. It affects the squelch. We've just had 6 miles out of it. I thought we'd get 2. So that's going back to the customer with no fee because we've failed. So there we are. I will go through to our base station and we'll test it on high and low power with my standard replacement mic. There's nothing wrong with the transmit on this. It's just the receive is deaf. And it's quite possible that with a preamp it would actually work normally, but there you go. Lack of information, obscure made in Britain set. This is what happens.
Target 21 testing the Mega Tracker CB1100 into our Midlands M6900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, full 4 watt output. It's just absolutely splendid. These have a Plessey military grade VOGAD chip in them. We ought to build a project. I really want to do that, where we build a kind of little box in between a normal CB and turn it into VOGAD. So it's where's low power? It's on the front on this. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it onto low power. There we're on low power, doing 400 milliwatts. Not expecting any hum on this. And then back to full power. There we're back on full power. So thank you for watching a not properly working Mega Tracker CB1100 that we failed to fix. And we'll probably have something more normal tomorrow. Thanks for watching.